So imagine an envelope and it has DNA inside of it, okay? But it's not living. What it needs to do is it needs to go up to a cell, a healthy cell, and sort of attach to that cell and inject its DNA. I mean, it's pretty medieval. Attaches to the cell, injects its DNA, and sort of takes over the function of that cell. Now that cell is infected. So just if you just a quick basic lesson on cellular biology. Inside the nucleus is the DNA. And the DNA is the boss. That's the head honcho, right? The CEO. DNA is running the show. It is replication. It makes an exact copy of itself, okay? But the other one is called transcription. It literally writes messages into the cell. It tells the cell what to do. Just like a CEO is giving orders to the board and all of the minions in the company, the DNA is doing that there. Those messages are called mRNA. Messenger RNA. What we did was we made a synthetic copy of that message. So what does this mean? It means that the message to make the spike protein, which would normally come from the DNA, has been synthetically copied. You make a little spike protein. That organelle comes back to its desk. The message is still there. Make the spike protein. Make the spike protein. Comes back to its desk. Make the spike protein. Make the spike protein. Make the spike protein, which spills through the cytoplasm of the cell, out into the serum of the blood, can embed itself into the arterial wall, causes a diffuse myriad of symptoms called diffuse vasculitis, which is essentially a term for, or dystonia vasculitis, inflammation of the blood vessel. So you get myocarditis, pericarditis, which was the first symptoms that we saw. But now we're seeing downstream consequences, because what happens when you take the surface area of the lining of your blood vessel? The skin has the surface area of about half a tennis court. The inside lining of your blood vessel, of which you have 63,000 miles of blood vessel in your body, has the surface area of about 6 tennis courts.